Roto is excited to introduce our new 9100 sliding patio door handle that combines the best of form and function with a sleek contemporary design. The 9100 handle is 13 inches long, features an elegant thumb turn, and is available in an array of colors including the satin nickel architectural finish shown here. It is only 1.2 inches wide in order to prevent the handle from encroaching into the glazing area of the door, which will maximize a homeowner's sightlines. Shown on the exterior is the key cylinder locking version for added convenience and security. Complementing the 9100 handle is the RotoFasco Secura 2-point mortise lock and cup faceplate. Please note the unique cam lock points that offer ease of adjustability with a flathead screwdriver. The combination of Roto's 9100 handle and Secura 2-point mortise lock allow for optimal functionality and aesthetic design for the growing demand of larger sliding patio doors. Please visit rotonorthamerica.com for additional information.